Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
Cracking your knuckles involves the collapse of gas bubbles in the synovial fluid. Excessive knuckle cracking can lead to reduced grip strength, possible swelling, and decreased hand function over time. However, there is no conclusive evidence linking it directly to arthritis. Moderation is key to avoid potential discomfort or minor joint issues.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.